Today, I'm gonna show y'all Tyson's Wilderness Part 2. Some of y'all know I'm into cooking. I've done some of this on my channel, usually with like stuff I find in the wilderness, like fish or other things that are cool. You know what I'm making? Breakfast food. I don't even know what it's called yet. I'm just gonna go pick some random things out of the pantry and try to make something good with it. We're gonna get straight to this. Let's go. I'm known for probably the best egg tacos in the world. That's what some people told me. And we're gonna pick some random stuff out. You look through your pantry and stuff, and whatever looks like it's slap right now, or something you're craving, you just put it all together. Get some of that cheese, sour cream, eggs for sure. I don't know, pepper jack cheese? Yes, yes, no, yes. Salad, a little bit of Ray sauce. I don't know what it is, salsa verde. Sounds good. Pepperoni, chunk, salsa. We got ham. I think that's a good start off. Let's go to the pantry. Oh shoot, what would be good? Chips. I think that would slap. Let's go. So we're at our cooking station now, and we got all our stuff. But yeah, we're gonna get to cooking now. Gotta get a couple skillets going. I got one right behind here. We're gonna use this because you can cook a lot faster on it. Now we need to find out what we're gonna do with all this, man. Probably gonna try to go for it's called a pentagon or something, but they have it at Taco Bell. It's like the shape of a pentagon. They might make a breakfast one. I'm gonna try to make that. I was just picturing it in my head. I knew what I was gonna do, but not really. The good stuff. It's ready, I think. Let's throw some eggs on. Get it cooking. Sticky pans are not happy pans. That's what they all say. Alright, now we're gonna try to make like some type of wrap thing with the ham. I saw it on a cooking show or something. Basically what they did is they took little, I don't even think it was ham, it was just some type of meat, and it looked good. You take your meat, you stick it on there. Let's see if it'll be good. Now we're gonna crack a couple eggs into here. I always ask this to myself. Are eggs meat or are they not meat? That's a good question. Are eggs meat or are they not meat? They technically are meat because they're chickens. I don't know. Never gonna look it up because I think my thing's right. Salt and pepper always hit. I'll put Old Bay on these things. Oh look, they're turning out. Let's go. That's looking good. Check it out. They look like bacon almost. We're gonna flip our eggs. Now we need to get the pepperoni. Where is the pepper? Oh, it's right here. I'm gonna try to do something similar with the pepperoni. I'll probably just fold them in half, stick them on there. All right, you guys can come off. Good job, you did your part. Ow! Now the eggs, oh, those don't look so good. Looks don't matter, it's all about that taste. Guys, now the layers come together. I'm probably gonna try to throw the chips in there somewhere, make it look good. It should be good. There we go. And I always do this, but you don't have to. I always toast the inside of it first, so the inside is crunchy, inside the outside. Just helps cook it faster. All right, we're gonna flip it. Oh, that's way too much. Okay, we overburned that. We'll save that for something else. Rule number 1 of cooking, you can't leave your cooking. Bam, I'll be right back. Remember guys, do not leave your cooking. That's probably good. There, that's what we were looking for, guys. Now, layers come in. Oh my gosh. What should we do next? Oh my gosh, it kind of looks good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Put a strip of lettuce there. It's probably gonna get pretty hot. Whatever I bring out, I'm using. That's my number 1, second, third, something rule. I'm gonna put all these chips to make a layer. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Now we gotta put on the eggs that look all right. My eggs didn't really turn out so pretty, but it's about the taste, remember. Yes, so pretty. I don't even know if sour cream really goes good with this type of stuff, but we're gonna find out. I don't know, sour cream goes good with eggs and stuff. We'll find out. I shouldn't have brought the barbecue sauce out, now I'm realizing, but we're just gonna put a little bit of it on. One in every little corner. I think that kind of looks good. Final piece. Yes, yes. Shoot, what else? You hold that, okay? This actually kind of looks good. We're struggling with it not going around the whole thing. So we're gonna take a couple strips. We're gonna put that over there so we can re-cook it on that side. Oh yes, you're looking super good. I'm just not gonna lie, I'm telling you straight up. It's gonna be tasty too. So we just finished. That looks super good. I'm gonna make sure all those sides stay tucked in. Oh, I'm a little nervous. The cook said the food's ready. We'll go get dressed up for the occasion. Alrighty, I'm ready to taste this amazing food. Cook, is it ready to be brought out? You're the one that's waiting for the meal? Yeah, it should be out shortly. Let me go grab it real quick. Thank you, cook. This looks amazing. I'm super excited. Tip yourself a nice amount. And Hope it's good. Really. Alright guys, we gotta eat it now. It's like the exact thing from Taco Bell. You know what I'm talking about. I know you know that looks good. I'm gonna slice it in half first and show it to y'all. See what y'all think about it. Chef, can I have a sharper knife? Yeah, I got you, give me a second. Yeah, let's go. Here you go, sir. Thank you, chef. Oh yeah, that's more like it. I feel like I'm cutting into some steak right now. Oh my gosh. Look at that. That looks really good. I'm sorry. I don't care what y'all say. I know you know that looks good. Even though some of the stuff I put in there might not have sounded good, like that barbecue sauce, it looks super good. And I hope it tastes good too. You want a bite? Yikes. I made it for me. And I'm probably gonna give another half to my sister Samira. This is really good. I'm gonna go take this other half to my sister Samira and see what she thinks of it. Cause I know I'm not wrong, this is super good. I gotta keep showing it to you guys. I'm sorry you can't have it, but I just gotta keep showing it to you.